Hi guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. In today's video, I will show you how to write a prompt for Leonardo AI using ChatGPT. So first of all, navigate to chat.openai.com and you will be on this page. On this page, you will see the message ChatGPT section. In this section, you will have to just paste this script. So it goes like this. Hey Leonardo, I'm looking to generate, and in this section, you'll have to insert type of creation here, and I need your assistance. The creation should, here you'll have to insert your specific requirements or details in this section. So remove this and insert anything you want. So I'm just typing anything so it could create a random example, but you'll have to type a specific keywords that you want for your results. And also you'll have to insert any additional context or reference if necessary. So insert anything you want. If not, remove it and click on send message. After you click on send message, this will give you a prompt for Leonardo AI that will be generated by ChatGPT. As you can see, this is the body of my prompt and this is a short story, The Clockmaster's Secret. So that's how you can write a prompt for Leonardo AI using ChatGPT. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I'll see you in the next video.